Good morning, my dear children. Today we will discuss about weight. Before that, we can do the last remaining problem in the topic length. So everybody, please open your workbook, page number 70. Let me take the page. It's measurement length. In that, page number 76. Everybody take page number 76. Page number 76. You all can do along with me because it is simple subtraction. We have already done the subtraction in the many classes. This year also we have done. So just doing the normal subtraction. Only you have to keep in mind one thing. Here the question is subtract 163 meter 23 centimeter from 285 meter. Sorry?
We did not do the 15th question.
15th question we haven't done.
Yes, we have done the 15th question.
I am asking whether we have done 15th question addition in the last class. Few only were there in the class. So Adiga, yes, unmute and say we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
We have done
Yes.
the addition, right?
Yes.
So now we can do the subtraction. So here subtract 163 meter 23 centimeter from 285 meter 35 centimeter. In this, which measurement we have to write first? Which is the biggest one? First one or second one?
Second one.
Second we have to write because subtract 163 23 centimeter from 285 meter 35 centimeter. So you have to write 285 meter 35 centimeter first. Only that is the difference. So give the heading meter centimeter, and
Ma'am.
per meter you can write 285. Then 35. 285 meter 35 centimeter. And after that 163. 100.
Ma'am, page number.
Page number 76.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
sure.
I don't know.
Yes, take page number 76. We are going to do the subtraction.
Ma'am, I also joined now only.
Now you can start doing along with me the subtraction. Okay.
Ma'am, 76.
Page number
Ma'am,
76.
can we start?
Yes, you can start the subtraction. From which side we will start the subtraction? From the
Okay, ma'am.
163 minus 23. Please mute your audios. Somebody is talking. Okay. Now, start from the leftmost digit. Sorry, rightmost digit. Which is the rightmost digit? So, what are the rightmost digits? 5 and 3. 5 minus 3. What do you get? 5 minus 3. Take 5 fingers. Close 3 fingers. We will get 2.
1022.
3 minus 2.
1.
1. Take 3 fingers. Close 2 fingers. You will get 1. Now, 5 minus 3. 2. Take 5 fingers. Close 3 fingers. You will get 2. 8 minus 6. 2. Take 8 fingers. Close 6 fingers. You will get 2. Then 2 minus 1. 1. So the answer is 122 meter 12 centimeter. First you have to do 285 meter 35 centimeter. After that only you want to write 163 meter 23 centimeter. Okay?
Ma'am, don't finish.
Finished.
No.
Question B is homework. The same way, no difference. That's why question B is homework.
Homework. And second question is homework.
Question B, 16th question B is homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, after we have to only study from length topic, question number 1 to 16. Okay, the remaining questions we don't want to do. Question number 17 onwards. The word problems we don't want to do. That is not included in the syllabus. Okay, so only complete till question number 16. Next we are going to discuss the next topic, weight. Have you all completed?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Now, everybody, please keep your pencil down. No need to close the book. Please keep your pencil down and listen. So, length topic over. Now, we are going to discuss weight. What is mean by weight? Anybody knows? Weight. What is mean by weight? Yes, Andrea. Unmute and tell me. What is weight? Bandhan, I will give you a chance.
Ma'am, weight means something load.
Load is the measurement of heaviness. How much heavy it is, an object. That is the weight. That is the measurement. Okay. Length of heaviness. Measurement of heaviness. Now, which are the units we will use to measure weight? Any idea? Which all units we will use to measure weight? We have learned last year. Who knows? Nobody. My dear children, I will tell you. Milligram, gram, kilogram. These are the three units usually we will use to measure weight. Milligram, gram, kilogram. In this, milligram is the smallest unit. It is used to measure weight of paper, feather, then like that lighter objects, to measure the weight of lighter objects. Next one is gram. Gram is little more bigger than gram. Like to measure the weight of your pencil, pen, your box, then weight of your, for girls, weight of your bangles, weight of your earring. So like that ornaments we will use, measure using grams. And little more bigger units, bigger weights we will measure in kilogram. So kilogram is the biggest unit to measure weight. For example, if you want to measure weight of your body or weight of an animal body, you want to use kilogram. Like then if you want to measure weight of sugar, rice, vegetables, fruits, all these are measured in kilogram. Now, 1 gram equal to how many milligram? Yes, Siddharth, unmute and say. 1 gram, unmute.
100 milligram.
No, dear. In this conversion, 100 is not there. 1 gram is equal to, yes, Adhika. Unmute.
1000 milligram.
Very good. 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. Like that, 1 kilogram equal to how many grams? 1 kilogram equal to how many grams? Yes, Ameya. 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram equal to how many grams? 1 kilogram equal to how many grams? 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. 1 kilogram equal to how many grams? Yes, Krishna, do you know the answer? Bandhan, please unmute.
Ma'am,
Do you know answer?
ma'am, I cannot hear you.
You cannot hear me. What about others? Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Okay. See, please see your device. Here the
Ma'am, now
only
it's
miss.
okay.
Okay. What about Krishna? Do you know the answer? No. My dear children, 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. So here the conversion is very easy because both are 1000. So I'll show you. 1 gram equal to 1 gram equal to G for gram 1000 milligram.
1000 milligram.
Like that, 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So to convert from kilogram to gram, just multiply by 1000. Okay. Like that, to convert from gram to milligram, just multiply by 1000. If 1 gram is 1000 milligram, 2 grams, how many milligram?
2000.
2000 milligram. 3 grams equal to?
3000.
4 grams equal to? 4000 milligram. Like that, 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So 2 kilogram equal to 2000 gram. 3 kilogram equal to
3000 gram.
3000
Gram.
kg for kilogram. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. Now please open your workbook, page number 79. Page number 79. Question number. Workbook page number 79. First question. I want Siddharth, please unmute and read the first question fast.
The unit used to measure
Weight.
weight is dash.
This is the unit used to measure meters, kilometers, gram, liters. Which one we will use? Just now we discussed.
Kilometer.
Kilometer is used to measure length, my dear. Meters, kilometers are used to measure
Gram.
length.
Nine
Sorry?
gram.
Grams. Just now we said grams. See. All of you write grams and write in the bracket. Very good. Now, Aaron, please unmute and read the next question. Please don't turn off your video, Siddharth. Please turn on your video and keep.
We write kilogram has dash.
Which is a short form or kilogram? Is it
kg.
kg or sorry?
kg.
Kg. Yes, very good. Kg. Option A. Very good. Now, next question. Anai, please unmute and read the next question.
The weight of an object is the measure of its heaviness.
Very good. Option A, heaviness. Weight of an object is the measurement of its heaviness. How an object heavy? The measurement of its heaviness. Option A. How much an object heavy is. Now, next one. Devananda, please unmute and give me the next question's answer.
The weight 1 kilogram is
Is equal to 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? I'll give one more.
100 grams.
Is it 100, my dear? In kilogram, gram, milligram conversion, no hundreds, only thousands. So how many gram? How many gram? 1000. Okay. 1 kilogram equal to how many grams?
1000 gram.
1000 gram. All of you keep in mind, 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Now, Abhinav, please unmute and read the next question.
Ma'am,
Ah,
the way
to convert.
gram into milligram,
Mm,
multiply it by
ah,
1000.
yes. To convert gram into milligram, multiply it by 1000. Here only 1000. Don't say 100. 100 is only in length. Here all thousands. Okay. Very good, my dear. Now, next question 2. Adhika, please unmute. Next question is 3000 milligram equal to dash gram. So, before that, let me ask you one thing. 1000 milligram equal to how many grams, dear? 1000 milligram, how many grams?
1
1 gram.
gram.
So, 2000 milligram, how many grams?
2 gram.
Just remove the zeros. Then you will get the
2 gram.
2 grams. If you are removing the last 3 zeros, you will get. Like that, if 3000 milligram equal to how many grams?
3 gram.
3 grams. So, 3000 milligram is equal to 3 grams. Good. Next. Naila. Please unmute. Ah. 4 kilogram equal to dash gram. 1 kilogram equal to how many grams?
1000.
1000 grams. So, 4 kilogram is equal to?
4000.
See, very good. 4000 grams. So, all of you, you only want to write 4000 here. 4000 gram. Very good, Naila. Now, next question 2. Dia. Oh, Dia is traveling, I think. So, wait, I will give you some. Can you say answer? If I am asking? Yes or no? Yes. And me. Yes, Dia. Question number 8. Dia, can you hear me? Ah, my dear, 1 dash gram equal to, question number 8, no, dash gram equal to 1000 milligram. 1000 milligram equal to how much gram? No, don't check the question now. I am saying something else. How many? 1000 milligram equal to how many grams? 1000 milligram. 1 gram. So, 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. Then, 5000 milligram is equal to how many grams?
5 gram.
5 grams. Very good. So, here it is written like this, 5 gram equal to 5000 milligram. So, you have to fill here. 5 gram is equal to 5000 milligram. Very good, Dia. Now, next one. Next. Yes, Andrea. Please unmute and give me the answer for next question.
4 kilogram multiplied by 1000.
Yes, to convert kilogram into gram, multiply it by 1000. Very good, my dear. Now, next question 2. Muhammad Hassan, please unmute. Unmute, Muhammad Hassan. Yes. How many grams is 5 kilogram? That means 5 kilogram is equal. You cannot hear me. You cannot hear me, my dear. Can you? 5 kilogram equal to how many grams? You want to say 5 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 1 kilogram is equal to how much gram, my dear? 1 kilogram, how many grams?
5,000.
Okay, 1 kilogram equal to how many grams? 1 kilogram, how much? 1000. Very good. So 5 kilogram equal to 5 into 1000? 5000.
5,000.
5000 gram. 5 kilogram equal to 5000 grams. Very good. Hisan. Now, Naila, please unmute. Naila. Next question. Question number 11.
How many milligram?
Ah.
Milligram.
Yes, that means 3 gram is equal to how many milligrams? That written in words. Only the difference is that. 1 gram is equal to how many milligram?
1,000.
1000. So 3 grams is equal to
3,000 milligram.
3000 milligram. Very good. So 3000. 3 zeros. 2 big 1000. Very good, my dear. Now, Asher Benny, please unmute. Asher Benny, please unmute.
Ma'am.
8 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams, my dear? 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? Before reading the question, please give me answer for that. Asher? Asher, can you hear me? Asher, can you hear me? 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams?
1,000.
1000 grams. Very good. So, here the question is, how many grams make 8 kilogram? That means 8 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 1 kilogram, 1000 grams. So 8 kilogram, how many grams?
800.
Huh? Sorry?
800.
800 or 8000?
8,000.
8000. Okay, 8 into 1000, it is 8000.
8,000.
Along with 8, 3 zeros in the right side. So 8 kilogram is equal to 8000 gram. Gram. Okay, have you understood now?
Yes.
Siddharth, what happened? Some facial expressions. 8000 gram. Siddharth, please turn on your video. Turn on your video and listen the class. Very good, Asher. Now, Arav, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question and words, as we done in the length questions. Here, we have to convert 4 kilogram 150 grams into grams. Here, 150 is in grams itself, so let it be there. 4 kilogram we have to convert to grams. To convert 4 kilogram to grams, 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams, my dear Arav?
3, ma'am.
1 kilogram is equal to how many grams?
Ma'am, 100.
Huh?
1,000 grams.
1000 grams. No hundreds here, only thousands. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So 4 kilogram is equal to how many grams?
4,000 grams.
4000 grams. Very good. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So 4 kilogram is equal to 4000 gram. Now our question is 4 kilogram 150 gram. That is our question. So 4 kilogram, now we got it is 4000 grams plus 150 grams. We can write 150 more grams are there. So 4000 plus, all of you can write along with me, 150 grams. 4000 plus 150 we will get 4,150. You can remove the last 3 digits. Last 3 zeros and write 150. Then it will be 4,150 grams. The same way, no difference. Will you do the next question as homework? 14th question. 9 kilogram 200 grams into grams. Will you do that homework? Anybody has doubt to do that?
Yes.
No.
No.
Will you do that?
Yes.
Same way, no difference.
Yes.
Okay. So question number 15. Now all of you please listen. Question
I'm
number,
not finished.
okay. Complete
I'm
it.
not finished.
Those who haven't completed, please complete it.
One.
Those who have completed, they can try to do the question number 15. A. Add 3 kilogram 250 gram and 1 kilogram 840 gram. If you know, those who have completed. Now have you all completed? Krishna, have you completed?
No, ma'am.
What are you doing, my dear?
I'm finished.
Okay. Now anybody is remaining to complete?
No.
Yes, ma'am. I did not complete. Ma'am, I finished.
Okay.
I did
Now
not
question
complete.
number 15. Question number
Ma'am, I did
15.
not complete.
Who has not completed?
Ma'am, I did.
Anai, what happened, Anai? Daros, please turn on your video.
I'm finished.
Finished. Yes. Lysel.
Finish.
So, Anai, have you completed now?
Finished.
Okay.
Last two.
Now, next question is very easy as we have done in the length topic. Here, first one is add 3 kilogram 250 gram and 1 kilogram 840 gram. All can do along with me. First you have to give the heading kilogram, gram. And first question is, first number is 3 kilogram 250 gram. So under kilogram you can write 3 and under grams you can write 250. Like that, the next measurement is 1 kilogram 840 grams. 1 kilogram 840 grams. Under 3, under kilogram you can write 1. Under grams you can write 840. Please see the place values. Write according to the place values when you are writing. And now you can draw the lines. And do the addition as we have done in the last topic. You can start addition from the rightmost digit. 0 plus 0. Lysel, are you doing? Are you doing?
I'm finished.
Very good. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4.
9.
9. 8 plus 2.
10.
10.
10.
10 we get, what we will do? We will write
0 into the
in the 0 in the place, and 1 we will carry to the next place.
Next.
You have to do that regrouping, okay? As normal addition, you have to do the regrouping also. Now 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1,
4.
4 plus 1,
5.
so 5 kilogram, 90 grams.
Ma'am, this all can you send in the WhatsApp also?
Ah yes, I will send the WhatsApp also. Now B is subtraction, the same way. But here you have to keep in mind one thing. It is subtract 180 grams 60 milligram from 440 grams 8 milligram. So which measurement we have to write first? First one or second one? Which one we have to write first?
Second one.
Oh, second one. That is the bigger one. So you have to write the second measurement first. So it is, first you have to write 40 gram 80 milligram. That is the first measurement. Then 180 grams, then 60 milligrams. Then you have to subtract as we are doing the normal subtraction. So it is, draw the lines. Draw the lines and subtract. So last bit is 0. Okay. 0 minus 0. We have to start from the 0. 8 minus 6. Take 8 fingers. Close 6 fingers. How many fingers are remaining? Yes.
2.
2. Again. 0 minus 0.
0.
0. But 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8.
We cannot do.
Ah, very good, very good. We cannot do. We have to borrow. Borrow from this 4. 4 will become 4 minus 1.
3.
3. And this 4 will become
40.
14. 14 minus 8.
40.
14 minus 8. Draw 14 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Because we don't have 14 fingers. So you can write, draw 14 lines. How many we have to cut? 8.
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many is remaining? How many lines are remaining? 6. Now, the next is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Take 3 fingers. Close one finger. You get 2. So, 260 grams, 20 milligrams. That is the answer. This is the way you have to do subtraction. Question number 16, the same way you can do as homework. One subtraction is there, one addition is there. The same way you can do.
I know. Ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Completed?
Yes. 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 Ma'am, time is up.
Yes, I saw. So, can I wind up the class?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
This is simple addition and subtraction. Those who haven't done, please do it. I will share the answer in the WhatsApp. You can check it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, my dear children. Bye. See you next day. Bye.
Ma'am.